It is video time. Guys, look, I was actually gonna, like name this method like, the how to get your waves popping for special events method, but I was like, that's too long of a title, so I was like, shine method. Alright, this method would definitely bring shine to your hair, and this is the old method that I had before I had, the goat drip and all that, because of course a lot of you guys, either don't have the money or you just don't want to buy it. I don't know why you wouldn't, because it is a great product if you have the money. But if you don't, this video is definitely for you, and it's definitely a great shine method that I used to do before I had the Go Drip. Now I would be trying Poppy Blast's shine method, but for right now I'm gonna do my method. What I use, how I got my waves popping for special events, because I just gotta help you out. So let's go ahead and let's get into the video right now. Alright guys, look, now we in the bathroom. This is where the real, hard work, dedication, blood, sweat, and tears, is at. So I had to bring y'all in the bathroom for this method, especially because we is gonna get some brushing done. But hey, I just want to go over the materials that you guys are gonna need. So for the first material, this is what you're gonna need. Alright, this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some coconut oil. Okay, now I believe you can get this at Target. You can get it at if you guys have like an organic type store where you guys live, you can get it there. You can even probably get it offline on Amazon. I can link that down below. Yeah, all you want is some coconut oil. Now it is all natural, of course. You can use this product for a lot of things. You can use coconut oil for a lot of things that are not just hair, alright? But it does definitely work in your hair, so you're gonna need that. The second thing that you guys are gonna need is your plastic bag. If you got, the lay down G, if you got wave glider, if you got, just a regular plastic bag like me, then yeah, that's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need that for this method also. Now, for the third thing that you guys are gonna need, your brush and your comb. You gotta put in that work. You can't just put it in and just say the product would do it. No, you gotta put in that work with it. And of course, you guys already know for the fourth one, you guys gotta have your mirror. All right, gotta have your mirror. So you guys can see what you're doing. You ain't brushing blind, and you can see what you're doing. All right. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna just hop into it. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. I'm not gonna be like step 1, step 2, nothing like that. But just try to follow along and through everything that I'm doing, and you will get the same results. You'll get that same shine that you guys are looking for. All right. So let's just go ahead and cut to the next scene. Now going with a comb session. now it's time for the brush session. By the way, everybody that's been asking me what type of brush this is, it's a medium hard Torino Pro curved brush, just so you know. My hands are slippery from the oil. Time for the plastic bag. Alright guys, I hope this method works for you guys. I know you guys saw the shine right when I put the coconut oil in my hair. Right when you put the coconut oil in your hair, you get it all combed in, you should definitely see some results. But when it comes to coconut oil, you know, it's cool to use a lot. Okay, it's cool to use a lot because it's an oil and you want that oil all through your hair to give you that shine that you want. But that's the end of this method. All right, that's the end of my method. All right, I don't know if anybody else does this. Let me know down in the comments if you guys do this. But hey, that's the end of the video. So hey, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You know, just show me some love. You know, I'm helping y'all out with the methods. Help me out by going ahead and clicking on that subscribe button right down below, and also hit the bell, because you know, why wouldn't y'all want to get notified when I make new videos? Because you guys already know I'm dropping straight fire videos for you guys. But you know, hey, stay wavy, and it's 360 Woods, and I'm out. Yeah.